Hi there, I'm Sam from craftyourbestlife.co.uk, and today I'm bringing you this project here. If you've got the Spring Summer catalogue, it may look slightly familiar to you because it's actually in the catalogue there. So this is my version of that card. Our catalogues are great for showing projects because there's projects on every page, so it's not just a shopping catalogue, it gives you lots of inspiration of things you can make while you're flicking through. So I'm using the Butterfly Gala stamp set. Here's that one. I'm using the Butterfly Punch. I have the 6x6 Gingham Gala paper, and I'll be using some of the Gingham Gala adhesive back sequins. So let's get going. Right, let's move that out of the way. So I've pre-cut everything ready to go. I've got new glasses and I'm not sure they're any good, to be fair, but there we go, let's see. So we'll put that one up there. Right, so I've got a card base which is half a sheet of A4 cut in half and scored in half. Yeah, it's got a... Right, let's cut another one. I don't like that. So, thick whisper white. Then I can show you what we're doing. Oh, now everything's falling off. Stay. Trimmer. Okie dokie. Camera's gone all wonky. There we go. Right, so got something on there. Let's open this up. Pop it on there, see if I can fit it in the camera. Right, so this is 11 3/4 by 8 1/4. So in order to get half of it, we need to go to 5 3/4. Like so. Put that one over there, and then we're going to score at 4 1/8, and then that gives us our card base. Right, let's put that down, and we'll just give it a burnish. It's not very straight, is it? Line the edges up. Right, so that's our card base, and then I've got 5 strips of the Gingham Gala paper, and these are 4 inches long by, I think they're an inch wide. So they're going to go on the front of the card base, and then we've got some things for punch, stamping the butterfly. So what we'll do is we'll do the butterfly first. That'll give it time to dry. Excuse me. What colour do I want? I want some black. There it is. So I've got my Memento. At the moment, this stamp set and the punch, so and the bundle is on back order. Hoping to have it back in by the middle of March, but it's definitely coming back, and the punch is definitely carrying over to the new annual catalogue that comes in June. So it is coming back, it's just not about quite at the moment. So that's that. So we'll leave that up there for a moment. what else do we need to do? Sentiment. What colour? Grapefruit Grove. Haven't got the sentiment out of the case. Like, I got everything else out. What should we have? That fit on there? That fits on there. Just a note, you'll be on my mind. Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. I like that one. So let's find a block. Yeah, so I've got some new reading glasses, but when I look at my computer screen I can't see it because my glasses aren't designed for looking over there, so I'm having a bit of a funny on at the moment. Pop that down there. So I've sort of got to look over the top to make sure I'm in shot. So we'll leave that over there for a minute. Oh no, we've got to do some more. Let's take that one off. So you can colour in the middles of the butterfly, or you can use these stamps. So I've got the two, there's the top bit and the bottom bit. So what I'm going to do is do the bottom bit. What have we got here? Highland Heather. Do the bottom bit dark, and then the top bit I need something to stamp off on. Start making the camera wobble. I'm going to stamp off and then come in and put that in there. It doesn't really matter if it's straight or not. It's just to give it a bit of colour. So that's that bit done. So that's all the stamping. Let's put this mat back. My desk is only about, well, it's not much bigger than this A3 pad, so it's a bit cramped. I am looking at a new one, so hopefully we can have that soon. Right, so let's do this. And I've got ink all over there. Where did that come from? I haven't even used purple. Red. How peculiar. Right, where's Miss... Oh, it's not there. How have I got a red finger? Look, I've got a red finger. How did that happen? I haven't even got red ink. Oh well, never mind. Right, so we've got these strips. So I'm going to put them in rainbow order, so that we get them where we want them. Why has that one got a fuzzy edge? Hang on, let's find me scissors. That's better. Oh, hope if I took a bit away. Right, so the way I found the easiest for the spacing is to do the two outside ones and then work your way in. So if we, what should we put on there? I'm going to turn it that way because I find it easier to line up that way. So if we take the top one and put some glue on. I'll put that one this end. So this gives you your... Oh, that's not very straight. This gives you your border, so you've got the same width there as you have there, so that helps like with your position. Excuse me. And then we've got the Highland Heather, go on the bottom. So again, do the same this end, line it up like so. So it's got the same gap, and we want the blue one and the yellow one. Yeah, I think do the little ones. So we're still in celebration, and we have had the second release of products, and then on the 1st of March we had the celebration coordination released. I'm going to be doing a separate video on that, but so it's products that coordinate with the free product from the celebration, and they are purchasable products. So we've got dies, and I've done that wrong, I don't want that bit yet, let's have that bit there. We've got dies and stamp sets, different things like that. But then we found out that we were having a second third release of celebration freebies. So I haven't quite got my spacing right there, have I? But that's all right, as long as they like meet up, as long as it's even, that's the main thing. Bong folder, where are you? There you are. So I will be putting all the details over on my blog at craftyourbestlife.co.uk, and got glue on there now. Like I say, I will be doing a separate video on that as well, so that because it's a bit complicated. So basically we've got more celebration items that you can collect for free, and then we've got the coordination items that you can purchase to go with them. Right, so there's the card base. Now we want the punch. So we're just going to punch out the butterfly. We are going to get both of them, but let's... I've got a little pot over there they live in. I've got a pile of them on the desk. So here's our butterfly, but we need a body. So more black ink. I'll put some ink on it. So the body has got like a thinner end and then a fatter end. So the fat end is the head, basically, I presume. Although it might not be, who knows. That's the way I'm doing it anyway. I've got to move it a bit closer so I can... So there's his body. And we're going to put the antenna on in a minute. So this needs to be cut. Can I get it straight? Who knows? That's pretty close. So this sentiment's a little bit different because I've made it a bit bigger. So we're going to pop that one there, and then we'll pop our butterfly here. So we need some antennae. So the way I do that is work out where my butterfly is going to sit, like there, and then just come in and put them in like that. So they look a bit odd without them, so he'll just sit there then, like so. So there we go. Right, what do we want now? Dimensionals. we want big ones for this one. I'm going to put 4 on. Pop these on. Very windy today. Lots of clattering going on outside. So where's my butterfly going? There. So this guy's going like that. Then we just want 1 for the butterfly, and all I've done is just going to bend its wings up a little bit, and just give him a bit of a bend back that way to give him a little bit of life. So pop that one on there, and then he's going to sit there. There's the butterfly. Now we want the Jesus back sequins, which I've got over here. So these come again in the coordinating colours, and you get 2 different. You get your standard round ones, and then we've got the. Let me just take them out of there. Sorry about the rattling. We've got the flowery shaped ones. So where's my picky tool? And what I found the easiest way to get them off is to use this end and just, is it gonna, I don't know if it's gonna work on these, might not. Might be dry, hang on. Let's get a new bit. No, they're too heavy. So we'll do it the other way. So we'll take the spatula end, just hook it up that way. So we're going to put the yellow one over here. I want the green one. What do we do? Pink. It's not pink, that one's actually Grapefruit Grove, it just looks a bit pink. That one can go down there. So there we go. Same card with slightly different ways to set up. I'm going to take my glasses off so I can see what I'm doing. That makes no sense. So yeah, there's today's card. All the details for this card will be over on my blog at craftyourbestlife.co.uk. The other thing, I've just started a new Facebook group, a Facebook page called Craft Your Best Life, because the one I did have had a different name and it was getting a bit complicated, so I've now got that one with that name. Be lovely if you would give my video a little like if you liked it, and subscribe, and then you'll get to see all the other things I'll be doing over the next few weeks and keep up to date with all the latest news. So I will say thank you very much for now, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.